Hi, my name is Ruchira, and today I am bringing to you one of the most interesting podcasts of Kutch. Bringing to you a leading lady in education, in spirituality, and in the way she's living her life. I bring to you today Mrs. Preeti Vinod Munshiani, and I'm so happy to have you here today, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am, and I'm very, very happy and very proud to have you today with me. आपकी जर्नी, आपकी लाइफ की स्टोरी जानने के लिए आई थिंक मैं नहीं पूरा कच्छ इंतजार कर रहा है to see somebody at the helm of education of this whole district. So, ma'am, my first question to you, and to start off, will be who is Preeti Vinod Munshiani, and where did you start your whole journey?
Yeah. First of all, it's a privilege, and I'm really grateful to you for initiating this podcast. Thank you so much, Ruchira. And your question is how I started my journey.
Yes.
I was a preschool teacher at Ahmedabad in Amrit Jyoti School. I started my career as a preschool teacher. And I'm really proud. I had done my Montessori that time, which helped me when I got married and I came to Gandhidham. I'm married to Mr. Vinod Munshiani, and he was a banker. When I came to Gandhidham, I was working as a teacher in Mount Carmel first, and I took over my job as a teacher in P.N. Amarsi School.
Okay.
There I worked for 6 years.
Okay.
In 2004, I started my own journey as an edupreneur by bringing Kidsy, a brand in preschool, which was the most favorite and famous brand that time.
Correct.
So, I being a Montessori trained teacher and Montessori trainer, I thought that there was a lot of scope and a lot of children were not taking up the way that they should be leading.
Correct.
As a Montessorian, I always used to feel that child is born as a genius.
Correct.
But that geniusness goes away in the routine. The parenting was not proper, or maybe the parents are good, then the teachers and the schools which the teachers were being hired were not Montessori trained.
Correct.
The geniusness should always be there. 0 to 6 are the foundation years for the child. So I focused more on that. And those parents in Kidsy, when I started, those parents only wanted me to come up with a high school.
Okay.
They did not want to leave me. From that, my high school journey started. And I brought the Kidsy's brand only, Mount Literacy School, in 2007. Then the journey took over with a great height. Then after, in 2014, I thought that I should go for more expansion. So I came up with my own brand, which is Savvy Juniors with preschool, and Savvy International Group of Schools is for high school.
Right.
Then after that, I started my own franchisee. We have right now 19 franchises in Kutch and Gujarat. And my own preschools and schools are 16.
Wow.
So, that's a long journey with a lot of hurdles, but they were all good. I never thought that they were hurdles. They were just I was with the flow.
Okay. And ma'am, ये जो आपने जर्नी की इतनी लंबी, what were your challenges? मतलब were the parents accepting? कितना acceptance था for a new culture, curriculum? कैसे teacher, you were Montessori trained, तो यहाँ पे जो teachers हैं वो पहले कभी Montessori trained थे नहीं. That was not the culture. Since you brought that in, how was the acceptance? कैसे?
Initially, the acceptance was very low. But then, when they saw the result, the trained teachers classroom and untrained, there was a whole lot of difference. So the parents started accepting, and the parent literally had a lot of trust in me and the way my teachers and my team. See, we cannot work without a team. The team built was due to Montessori.
Okay.
So the parents now, we started with 120 students. Now we have crossed 4,500 students in our schools.
Wow.
That shows a lot of trust we get. In our schools, our major focus is on child. We have child-centric approach. That is the major reason our schools are shining and multiplying. That's the major reason.
Correct. Yeah.
Our students, wherever they go, either they come first, they come second, or they learn and come. We never judge the child according to whatever the results are. We just see that the child is developing at our school.
Correct. The child should be growing at the end of the day. Okay. And ma'am, I wanted to ask you, today a lot of parents, me including being a parent of a young baby, consider कि हमें यहाँ educate नहीं करना है, हमें बाहर जाना है, देहरादून भेजना है. Some people are sending them to Rajasthan. So what is your message to those parents? How do you think we can change that opinion of Gandhidham?
Yeah. Basically, people think that education is quite low. We change that mindset by bringing like the Singapore patented curriculum, like which is very different from other schools over here at Kutch.
Correct.
Like our children are equipped with every minute detail. Every minute is planned of the child.
Okay.
In our teacher has it in her tablet tabs we have given them, and which is linked with the TV. See, there are many concepts which we cannot bring it to the classroom.
Correct.
Like their concrete experience with the child. So these children are shown everything on TV.
Okay.
Like it is audio visual we have kept, and all the teachers are trained by a team which comes from Mumbai, Bangalore. Like that way we help the child, so that parents don't have to go from here and search schools out of Gandhidham.
Nice, very nice. Because I think वो ज़रूरत भी है मैम यहाँ पे अभी, that culture of bringing people back कि आप बाहर मत जाइए to educate.
I feel कि है ना, पेरेंट्स को बाहर नहीं भेजना चाहिए unless and until आपका पेरेंटिंग बराबर है, अपने पेरेंट हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में रिलेशनशिप अच्छा है, तो मेरे हिसाब से पेरेंट को बाहर नहीं भेजना चाहिए. Because even if the child goes out of Gandhidham or out of Kutch to study, then the child misses the emotional touch.
Correct.
It hampers the development of the child.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think that is a very big factor. The family that we're living in, वो culture ही miss out हो जाए. Correct, correct. And ma'am, since you are a very big patron of yoga and self love and fitness yourself, आपके schools में भी आप बच्चों को योगा वगैरह सिखाते ही हैं. So how did your spiritual journey, the yoga journey, fitness journey start? आपने कहाँ से start किया?
My spiritual journey started at the age of 21.
Okay.
When I was 21 years old, that time my spiritual journey started. And I'm a very fit, fitness free. Like I do yoga, I do aerial yoga, I do gym also. So like I do not miss a single day working out. So like somewhere or the other, I see to it that physical fitness is also, because that is also important, so that like you can do your work efficiently.
मैम एंड मतलब आपकी एज में जो दूसरी विमेन हैं यहाँ पे, देर इधर बिजी इन द किचन, और अब से बच्चे बड़े हो गए तो पोतों को या वैसे कि ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को देख रहे हैं. व्हाट इज योर मैसेज टू देम? मतलब आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ वुमेन नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देमसेल्फ, एंड फॉर मी यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली बोथ. तो आप कैसे, व्हाट वुड बी योर मैसेज टू दोज वुमेन?
If your day is planned, if your 24 hours are planned, and then you can easily take care of yourself. At least 1 to 2 hours you can take out. If you are not planned, then only we do not take care of ourselves. We feel that we are short of time. So like if you start your day with meditation, then the whole day is going to be according to your thought process.
Yes. So I think that has been, I think not just यहाँ पे, but I think even दिलजीत जैसा जो स्टार है वो भी बोल रहा है कि आप योग करिए. So I think that is also a factor. And apart from that, ma'am, even when you are you look at your diet and all, ma'am, it's not as per what everybody, हम लोग जो अच्छा लगा, कल भी उत्तरायण था, किसी ने जलेबी खाई, कुछ और खाया. So I think you are very much in particular about what you eat. So
see, like we become what we eat. That is what I feel. So like I start my routine. I make sure that I do not drink or eat for at least till 11 o'clock. After that, I start drinking water, or like with salt water, lemon water. That's it. And I take one meal, that is also at 7 o'clock.
In the evening, nothing,
evening.
ना आगे कुछ ना
कुछ भी नहीं. And that meal also does not contain rice or wheat. It is completely natural, which is fruits and vegetables.
Wow.
Yeah.
And ma'am, does that affect your productivity? Like, do you feel?
No. I feel that it multiplies our productivity, because our energy doesn't utilize in whatever we eat. It utilizes giving back to the society. I have got lot of respect, lot of wealth from the society now. I've started giving it back. So this routine helps me out to giving it back more and more.
Wow, ma'am, I think ये सुननी हुई मतलब, but giving it back in such a way. And also आप जैसे बोल रहे हो मैम कि it has boosted your productivity, how many days did it take you to come to this schedule? ये schedule follow करने में
Yeah.
कितना effort था?
Yeah, effort लगता है. It will not go in one go. It took me at least 3 months because when I started, I skipped my breakfast, then gradually I skipped my lunch. Then I came up to this routine. It took almost 3 months to come to this routine.
3 months of
And it has been now 4 years maintaining this routine.
wow.
So like the more you advertise about it, like the people near you, they know that you are not going to eat, so you will not be tempted also to eat.
Okay. And I'm going towards a little more raw questions, I would say. After Sir went away, ma'am, people in the society are not accepting of women largely. कि आप कुछ करो या बाहर जाके मैम किसी की बहू तो भी लोग बोलते कि देखो इसको क्या ही करने की जरूरत है, क्यों जा रही है बाहर. So did you face that kind of a look from the society? Yeah.
No, never.
No?
Because maybe I focus more on what I have to do.
Correct.
I never thought that what other people are thinking. I always thought what I am here on this earth to do. I focused at one thing only. And maybe I feel that because of him, I'm doing what I'm doing right.
So, ma'am, if I would ask, क्या changes हैं वो थे तब हैं अब of course you miss him, ma'am, sir. So क्या changes आए हैं life में and you have a son. So how did you help him cope with this?
No, in fact, he helped me to cope up with this thing.
Wow.
He was near me 24/7. So it was very difficult to come out of that. And for that, meditation helped me to cope up with that thing. I'm a Vipassana trainer, Vipassana practitioner also. So that meditation helps me to come up with new energy every day. I live in this moment.
मैम विपासना क्या है, आप थोड़ा बता सकते हैं?
विपासना एक बेसिकली मेडिटेशन टेक्निक है, ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक है, जिससे आप वो टेक्निक आप बता ही नहीं सकते, वो एक एक्सपीरियंस है. So the more you experience it, you feel that you can you can have anything and you can fight out anything. Any challenges will never be a challenge. There you will be able to come out with solutions. Very effective solutions.
And do you see yourself? I've heard a lot of people go into Vipassana, वो 7 दिन मौन रखना, किसी से
11 days.
Yes, 11 days मौन रखना and लोगों से बातें नहीं करना. Does that help you change your own perspective?
Yeah, because that is the time you focus on yourself only. You are not attached to anything. You do not react to anything. You respond. You respond to your own body, respond to your own thoughts. The whole magic is you change your whole thought process.
Correct. And another question on the similar lines, you have achieved so much, ma'am. If you ask me, you were my inspiration. मुझे कोई पूछता भी है कि how do you want to be or who you want to be like? So, ma'am, you are a living inspiration for me. So, वहाँ पहुँच के इतना आगे जाके भी, ma'am, how do you keep yourself grounded? कि नहीं, I have to be there for society. You do so much for society, for animals. So,
yeah. Meditation makes you humble, compassionate, and kind. So whichever situation is, you are balanced. That is what Vipassana trains your mind. It's a strong mindset.
Right. And ma'am, एक बार you had mentioned to me that you go to the cremation ground and you meditate there. So, like I had mentioned before, I am very scared of going only cremation ground तक जाने में इतना डर लगता है, तो वहाँ बैठ के meditate करना.
वहाँ एनर्जी सबसे हाईएस्ट होती है. बिकॉज आप उधर जाते हो तो बहुत अकेलापन होता है. नोबडी इज देयर, नो साउंड, कंप्लीटली रिलैक्स्ड, एक आश्रम जैसा फीलिंग आता है. जाना सबको है इस दुनिया से, वो फैक्ट पता चलती है. और उसी वहाँ मेडिटेशन करने की वजह से मुझे हमेशा रियलाइज होता है कि आज शायद आखिरी दिन है, जितना कुछ कर लूँ आज के दिन में 24/7 मैक्सिमम वॉट एवर आई कैन डू, आई लिव इन दैट मोमेंट ओनली.
Wow, I think that is an outright inspiration for me because हम even every day 4 चीजें करने के बाद बोलते हैं आज बहुत थक गया, आज बहुत कर लिया. तो bringing that to life is only, and that life death situation में फर्क करना कि वहाँ पे जो लोग सिर्फ जाते ही हैं कि sadness को associate करते हैं, there you are finding light and positivity.
because अहंकार पूरा चला जाता है, पता होती है कि इधर ही आना है, लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन वही है, तो किस चीज का अहंकार, वो रियलाइज होता है उधर.
करेक्ट. And ma'am, what would be your message to the parents who are watching? And even मतलब आज के जो kids हैं मैम, they have a lot of access to information, I would say. आप YouTube बोलो, Instagram बोलो, lot of information, some of which is necessary, some of which is absolutely not necessary. तो आप parents को क्या message देंगी as an edupreneur yourself कि what direction should the parents be taking their children?
मेरा टेक ये रहेगा कि पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चे के साथ शेयरिंग एंड बॉन्डिंग इतना मैक्सिमम होना चाहिए कि कोई भी मोमेंट हो, उस बच्चे का वीक मोमेंट है या एकदम हाईएस्ट मोमेंट है उसकी लाइफ का, अचीवमेंट वाला मोमेंट है, द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू शेयर शुड बी द पेरेंट. ऐसा बॉन्ड हो कि बच्चे को हमेशा फील हो कि मेरे पीछे मेरा पेरेंट्स बैठ खड़ा हुआ है, मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ. बिकॉज वीक मोमेंट में जब बच्चे सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी में जाते हैं, वो इसीलिए जाते हैं कि उनको लगता है मेरा कोई नहीं है एंड नथिंग इज अचीवेबल. बट जब बच्चे को ये फीलिंग आती है कि मैं मेरे पीछे मेरे पेरेंट है और मैं सब कुछ अचीव कर सकता हूँ, तो वो उसको नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जाता है.
Correct. If you would like to say 2 words about what Rachit sir is doing, he's also at the head of everything in Savvy, in fact everywhere around also.
Actually, Rachit Munshani is my inspiration. See, like, because when I started after Vinod went from the sir, we were having 4 schools only. He took it to 16 schools and now we are going internationally. We are planning to have our 5 free schools in Dubai. Wow. Dubai and Abu Dhabi at different locations. So like, he has lot of energy and he comes up with a strong mindset कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बहुत कुछ किया है, तो वो रिस्पेक्ट को बरकरार रखना है और मुझे चीज़ों को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जाना है. So like, he inspires me, like he is such a pure soul. He always thinks कि मैं क्या दे सकता हूँ, क्या मिलेगा वो कभी नहीं सोचता है. तो वो मेरे को बहुत डेली इंस्पायर करता है.
मैं भी उनको जब भी बोलती हूँ कि सर ये प्रॉब्लम है या ये करना है आगे, सर आप करो ना, मैं देख लूंगा, आप सब आगे करो.
या ही कंप्लीटली फोकसेस ऑन सॉल्यूशंस. वो प्रॉब्लम में फोकस ही नहीं करता है.
इनफैक्ट आई हैड आस्क्ड हिम आल्सो कि आप मैम के साथ पॉडकास्ट में ज्वाइन कीजिए. नहीं, आई डोंट लाइक टू बी द फेस ऑफ थिंग्स. मम्मा है ना, वो एकदम शी इज द फेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
या
सो
blessed to have such a son, really very much blessed.
And
because of Montessori only I could raise such a son, because Montessori gave him that foundation which is like major, like the child should have freedom and independence.
Right.
Montessori trains the child to be independent.
On that note, ma'am, do you think parents should start taking Montessori training for their children?
Yes. Many parents of our school and other schools also have started grooming themselves by being trained so that better parenting can happen. And if better parenting, then future generations, the young generation will be with a strong mindset for the society.
And I think the right guidance is also important, because not just children, हमारे पास भी इतनी excess information है. कोई बोलता है आप ये खिलाओ, कोई बोलता है आप मत खिलाओ. Somebody will say आमला is a superfood, आप खिलाओ. Somebody saying नहीं, winter में मत खिलाओ. So much information कि parents भी, we also don't have a direction. I think Montessori training is one way to look forward. If you could describe something about Montessori training, I think once आपने बताया था कि it focuses on all 5 senses. Yes.
It is basically education of senses, which was started by Maria Montessori. Is the founder of Montessori courses. So like, it is completely like, we define intelligence as looking at the child is good in maths, child is good in science. We define the child's intelligence according to that. But actually, like, if from that perspective, if we see, then Sachin Tendulkar is not intelligent.
Correct.
He is very good at cricket. So like, intelligence definition was completely defined by Maria Montessori. She defined it as the senses. The child's senses, which are the one child whose senses are sharpened, is intelligent.
Correct.
That was the definition by Maria Montessori.
And I think that needs to change also, no, ma'am, because we are always matching our children's progress by she started walking at 15 months or she started talking at 20 months. So
we compare our
which
hampers the child's growth.
Absolutely. And that direction, I think Montessori training से हर parent को भी मिल सकता है, not just teachers.
Because then the focus shifts of the parent to the positive things with the child has come with. There are few positive traits in the child and few negative. As a human being, we always focus on the negative side.
Correct.
And we And Montessori trains the mind to see positive in the child, the strengths of the child, not the weaknesses.
Correct. So, and ma'am, taking this conversation a little forward, आपको क्या लगता है, where are we going as the next generation? मतलब you have seen all sorts of generations. आप बोलो Gen Z है, Gen Alpha है, अब तो Gen Beta भी है generation. तो रचित सर और मेरी वाली generation, we were the 90s to the millennials जिसको बोलते हैं, हम वो batch थे. So how do you think we are going forward, and what is your message to all of us, the youth, especially in Kutch, Gandhidham, जहाँ इतनी opportunity है सबके लिए?
See, to be honest, the youth is really going in a very good direction. Only a lot of guidance is required. Otherwise, the way the exploring of information is there, AI is there. It is really going to be massive change in our city, in our Kutch, which we cannot even think on some.
Correct.
Lot of opportunities are already there, but only I think a lot of guidance is needed so that the children go into the right direction.
Correct. And on the same note, ma'am, for example, we also think कि this generation is not just growing in manifolds, but कहीं पे मैम, like we said, anxiety है, depression है, अब उसके बारे में जानकारी है, पहले नहीं थी, सब बोलते थे पागल है, but now we know that there are different levels of the mind and
State of mind.
yes, and लोग क्या feel कर रहे हैं, ma'am? Have you ever gone through something like this?
Yeah, many times it happens that the situation at home for the children is quite opposite which the child is going through. So like at school, we make sure the day of the child starts with meditation. Even free school children meditate for 2 minutes, and till 10th standard they learn meditation till 20 minutes.
Wow.
Every child of my school does 20 minutes meditation when the child is 10th standard. It really helps the child to to face the situation at home or at tuition classes or at school. Whatever situation is, the child is able to accept, whether it is negative or whether it is positive. The child is able to balance.
And मैम, अभी इतने सारे ऑप्शंस है, इवन करियर वाइज. फॉर एग्जांपल आप बोलो कि हैकिंग, सो हैकिंग आल्सो एज अ पॉजिटिव फॉर्म, एथिकल हैकिंग इज टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय गवर्नमेंट. आप बोलो बच्चे गेम खेल रहे, तो गेम डिजाइनिंग भी एक करियर है. किसी को फुटबॉल में जाना है, तो दैट ऑफ कोर्स स्पोर्ट्स इज ऑलवेज अ गुड ऑप्शन. सो हाउ डू यू हेल्प योर चिल्ड्रन डिस्कवर दीज ऑप्शंस? एंड
we have DMIT, which is Dermatographic Multiple Intelligence Test, which maximum children beyond 5 years have undergone that tripfoot. In that, the parents and the teachers come to know where the child's strength is. So they completely focus on the strength of the child.
Correct.
So that helps the child to groom and shape him for the future.
Like you believe in working on the strength
of
and
the
not
child completely.
कि वो उसको नहीं लिखना आता तो पहले लिखना सिखाओ, वैसे नहीं. But if he is good at singing, you
Yes,
train
we
him.
focus on that. See, that is wasting the energy if making the child sit for 4 hours to do the things which the child is not interested, is wasting the time.
Correct.
So we focus on where the child's strength is.
Correct. And ma'am, as an entrepreneurial journey, आप कैसे बोलोगे, how was your journey as an entrepreneur? I mean, apart from education being your forefront, there must be a journey where you learned a lot of things as an entrepreneur. Ab BNI maybe leadership team mein hai, you're the president. So what do you say about entrepreneurship and your journey?
Since last 6 to 7 years, I completely changed my mindset as an entrepreneur. I used to always focus what I am getting. I started focusing what I am able to give. The more I gave, the more I got, which we call a policy of givers gain in BNI. It really helped me to shape as an entrepreneur.
Does it really work, ma'am?
Yeah, it really works. And it's a completely Vipassana theory also. जितना हम देंगे यूनिवर्स को, उतने 10 times और 100 times fold वापस मिलेगा. देखे तो देखो.
Correct. I think that is a very different perspective, ma'am, because हम लोग यहाँ as entrepreneurs यही सोचते कि हमें क्या मिलेगा, कितना profit होगा, कितना nobody is looking at कि क्या देना है society को, because that is कि नहीं last perspective है कि नहीं चलो बहुत कमा लिया, profit हो गया तो थोड़ा donate कर दिया, but nobody thinks of giving first, right? So I think that is a very different opinion. And what would you say, ma'am, as your journey? I think you had once mentioned to me you move every 45 minutes, 90 minutes. So वो क्या perspective है?
the moment you want more energy, it's like our mind will have more energy if you focus for 90 minutes. After that, like no, we start boredom, or like no, we have a kind of low energy, we can say. So like to multiply that, every 90 minutes I take a break of 10 to 15 minutes so that I come with the same energy what I started.
Wow, every 90 minutes.
Every 90 minutes. I have a planner for 168 hours, which is like I practice it daily. I have been practicing since I think 3 months more rigorously. Like all in a week we have 168 hours.
Correct.
Like I make sure that अभी 2 घंटे बच गए ना, अब मैं कुछ इसमें कुछ प्रोडक्टिविटी करूँ.
तो मैम आपने पूरे 168 आवर्स को प्लान किया है. Wow, and every 90 minutes you make sure कि break है, because you don't take a lunch break and all of that. So
I move around, or I like no listen to music, or I like no like I make sure that I'm doing something creative and I'm not working.
Wow, I think that मैम because working इतना productivity लाना भी बहुत लोगों के लिए, मुझे जैसे लोगों के लिए impossible है मैम. I don't see myself at that level of productivity.
We feel stress or we feel tiredness. With 90 minutes, like no, the moment we follow that process, no, our productivity also multiplies and we feel like no, अभी तो बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत कुछ बाकी है, अभी सिर्फ 10% ही किया है.
That energy is also ma'am very I would say applaudable
also.
Yeah, and contagious and applaudable ma'am, because ever since I've met you ma'am, मेरे घर पे आपकी ही बातें करती पूरा दिन. So even Jignesh is like तुम पूरा, I said you have to meet ma'am to know, and hence this opportunity ma'am कि आपके ideas should reach the world ma'am. So no ma'am, they are applaudable because बहुत कम लोग हैं जो इस level पे सोच भी पाते हैं मैम. Because we are so busy in our own everyday struggles कि यहाँ तक पहुँचना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. So
daily I think one thing only, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ दूसरों के लिए, फिर किसी भी फॉर्म में, but I make sure I do one thing in a day which is like no fruitful for any one person, is that is also kind of achievement for me.
Absolutely ma'am. And what would you say about self love ma'am? ये जो concept है, पहले तो नहीं था, आपके generation जब बड़ी और भी self love वाला concept ही नहीं था. अब हमारी जनरेशन तक we have reached to a point.
सेल्फ लव का कॉन्सेप्ट शायद इसी से शुरू हुआ कि स्ट्रेस है, एंजाइटी है, लाइक नो दे रिलेटेड दैट सेल्फ लव से ये सब कम हो जाता है, या हम अपने आप पे फोकस करते हैं तो कम हो जाता है. बट सेल्फ लव के साथ ना अपने आजू बाजू वालों को भी उसमें इंक्लूड कर दो. आफ्टर ऑल बिकॉज हम किससे लव एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं? दोज हु आर सराउंडेड बाय अस, दोज पीपल हु आर सराउंडेड बाय अस. सो सेल्फ लव कैन बी डिफाइंड एज लाइक नो we should always love people around us as well.
Correct. And like I'm saying ma'am, what do you feel like, how do you see yourself, the school in the next 5 years? आपका क्या vision है?
मेरा विजन है, savvy नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा.
Wow ma'am, super. Of course, मतलब तो like you are, if you ask me, savvy हर जगह, अंजार में है, आदिपुर में है, गांधीधाम में multiple schools है, भुज में है, now you're saying Dubai और भी Raffar, yes,
Rajkot as well.
Oh, in Rajkot as also, you all are also growing in every city in multifold, and I think वो information बाहर है भी नहीं लोगों के पास. So what is your approach towards ma'am taking your school to every city of
City?
Yes.
Yeah. We have multiplied our team as well. So like we are looking forward pan India. We'll be covering major places in Gujarat this year.
This year itself. Okay. Do you think of Ahmedabad भी आप?
Yeah. Ahmedabad में we have one preschool, but we are planning at least 10 major places, major areas in Ahmedabad.
So I think हम जैसे DPS को देखते हैं, next you will have savvy also everywhere in every city.
Every city.
Wow ma'am. And I am, I think, very inspired. I was very excited to do this podcast, and very grateful and very thankful for your time ma'am. आपने हमें इतना time दिया. And anything you want to give off as a last message to everybody who's watching?
My message to the society would be, I would be really grateful if I am able to touch any one life as well. I would really give a message that anybody who feels stressed, feels anxiety or feels low can connect me. Whatever I can do, I'll be happy to do that. Blessed to have Ruchira ma'am. Thank you so much.